quote by John Muir that has always stuck with me. Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. How are we? Good morning to you. So I'm back here. I'm nearly calling this my redeeming hike. I came here to the Burren there a few weeks ago and the weather was totally the opposite of what I thought it was going to be. Plus my Solomons nearly kill me because the soles are just not equipped for wet weather. So I wore my hand wags today. A lot better grip, so I'm a bit more confident today, and plus it's not wet, so happy days. So I said I'd start this hike today with a cup of tea by the lake. Not a bad way to start the day, isn't it? This stunning location here. So this is an 18-kilometer route and I will be doing it all today. So yeah, we have 3 mountains to go to and I'm not sure which one I'll have my dinner on, or my tea on, or my lunch on, whatever you call it. But look, we'll see how it goes anyway. But for now I'm going to chug this back and let's hit the trail. I'm really looking forward to this one. Now, popped over Mullaghmore. Making our way now to the second point. Getting hungry now, actually, being totally honest. But what a spot. What a spot. I met some lovely people already. I met a lovely couple from Belfast who are down here. They're doing every national park in Ireland, so that's brilliant. So they were lovely, and they told me a little history of the Mournes and Narnia. So when I get up there, that's the story I'm going to be doing. But yeah, happy days. Okay, let's keep going. Getting hungry now, but I might go to the next mountain to do that. So let's see. These are very cool rock structures. The last video I put up was about the 750 milliliter Lexida stove, and the amount of slagging that I got. One, you did a review about a pot. I did, but see, it was wrecking my head over the size of it. But look, I won't go into it now. The reason why I'm thinking of it now is Niall Outdoors is just after messaging me, taking a piss. So that's for him. Anyways, I'll put a link there, and you can have a look at it yourself. This absolutely might be camp compatible. I can't say that. Let's check for stones. Take one. So yeah, you'd be able to get stakes down. It only goes down about 100 mil, but you're well covered here from every angle, so interesting. Heading up Slieve Roe. Ooh, where's the top? Oh, well, that's not it. It's over there. Oh my god, these handbags are brilliant. The grip. I feel like a mountain goat. Certainly look like one, but right, to see if this is the way up. Yeah. Did I just find the perfect camp spot? I feckin' did, you know. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, 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 yes. Right. Next week, I'm coming back here. So we're going up this and making our way then over to Knockanes, it's called. So, really cool. Oh, I'm starving now. I actually didn't eat yet, so I think when we get up here we might eat. Right. This goes on forever. It really does. Okay. So what we're going to do, we'll go over here to this trig point. We're going to go over here to Knockanes. We're going to have our lunch there. And then we'll see. So I'm looking over here but you have to go across roads and stuff like that, and it's a big loop on the way back. So look, let's check out the time. It's 3 o'clock now. Let's check out the time when we get to Knockanes. I'll have my lunch up there and we'll go from there then. But yeah. Just seen on the karst here on the rocks, it actually looks like a T-Rex claw. So I found a T-Rex claw, a footprint. I did. No one else. I found it. Yeah. I won't go much closer, but there's a load of wild goats over here, and one of them actually looks like an alpaca. Wow. Heading up this now. It's the last one. This is Knockanes. So yeah. Oh, I had to get on the snowman hat, it's getting way too hot. So there was a company sent me on. It's Brew. So it's a high performance espresso. So I've seen on their website that the people take these before they go to the gym and stuff. So yeah, I'm trying it now. I'll be running home, I'd say. But yeah, let's give this a go. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Ooh, that's strong coffee. High performance espresso. I'll leave the details in the description from Brew, but look, how bad. Cheers. I bought this on the way because I love mint crisps. It's still going to taste the same, but it just looks like a dirty protest now, like. You're welcome. Right, we're going to pop down. We're going to follow the wall down. There's a green trail here. We'll follow the green trail around. It'll bring us around Mullaghmore, then back to the lake, and then back to the car. So, okay, let's do it. Just found a skeleton remains of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. See? Just a world of knowledge that I have, like, just world of knowledge. I'm getting crippled by thorns. I put a message up recently about doing a Q&A. I'm being honest, I was kind of nervous about it because, like, I haven't got a very big channel, and putting up to do a Q&A, I was nervous that no one would ask a question. I got tons of questions, so I'm delighted, and I want to answer every one of them, to a point where I'm actually even thinking of doing the video in 2 parts. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. I'll pop up to the woods and have a nice coffee. Is it just me? This may come across really weird now, or it might feed into the immature person I am. But when I was a kid, I used to play with action men and G.I. Joe men and all that, and every time I'm in places, like say in the woods or whatever, or if I'm here on the Burren and I'm seeing all the kind of crevices and the kind of all the deep small ravines, I'm always picturing as a child how much I would have loved that, to have my G.I. Joe men in them. Yep, that's where my head went for the last 15 minutes walking. You're welcome. I found a pterodactyl claw back there, so I'm just amazing at finding prehistoric stuff. Yeah, just gonna keep going. Oh, 20 to 7, how bad. What a lovely day on the hills. It's one I needed. I'm so glad I came back to this spot. And I found some camping spots which I'm really happy about. So yeah, I'm nearly back at the car now, so thanks so much for watching. And please, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Hit that like button or whatever, because the channel is certainly growing. And I'm so happy because I put a lot of work into the videos, and so do all the other YouTubers. So try support them if you can. Because this video that you're watching right now could take the bones of about 10 hours to edit. So anyway, mind yourselves, have a good evening, and stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!